Let us do very important MCQs on English language teaching in India. This comes under Unit 5 of Paper 2, UGC NET English. Who expressed the intention of introducing English language in India? Winston Churchill, Thomas Macaulay, William Shakespeare, Queen Victoria. Thomas Macaulay. What was the primary intention behind the introduction of English language by the British in India? To promote cultural exchange, to facilitate administration, to enhance trade relations, to preserve indigenous languages. To facilitate administration. What did Macaulay aim to achieve through the introduction of English language in India? Promoting Indian culture, facilitating communication, empowering local languages, or creating a specific class of people. Creating a specific class of people who are Indian and English in manner. Which phrase best summarizes the primary motive behind the introduction of English language in India? Economic prosperity, colonial exploitation, administrative convenience, cultural enrichment. Administrative convenience. When was the first Education Commission appointed by the Government of India? 1947, 1948, 1950, 1951. (1948). Who chaired the first Education Commission appointed by the Government of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Radhakrishnan, B. R. Ambedkar. S. Radhakrishnan. What was the primary focus of the commission chaired by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan in 1948? Industrial development, teachers training in schools, university education, school education. University education. What was the stance of the Commission in 1948 regarding English in the curriculum? It advocated for the complete abolition of English. It supported the retention of English in the curriculum. It recommended reducing the emphasis on English. It proposed replacing English with indigenous languages. It supported the retention of English in the curriculum. In which year did the Government of India appoint Second Commission on Education? (1948, 1950, 1952, 1955). 1952. What was the specific focus of the commission appointed in 1952? Higher education, primary education, secondary school education, technical education. Secondary school education. What was the primary objective of the Commission regarding secondary education? To enhance vocational training, to reorganize the structure of secondary education, to promote teacher training, to increase enrollment rates. To reorganize the structure of secondary education. Why did the government appoint Mudaliar Commission in 1952? To address declining literacy rates, to improve educational infrastructure, to strengthen national security, to address challenges in secondary education structure. To address challenges in secondary school structure. What language did the Commission recommend to be given an important position in secondary schools? Hindi, English, mother tongue or regional language, modern Indian language. English. Which language did the Commission in 1952 recommend for study as optional at the middle school stage? English, Hindi, mother tongue or regional language, modern Indian language. English. The 1952 Commission recommended which two languages to be studied at the middle school stage? Mother tongue or regional languages, Hindi for non-Hindi regions and a modern Indian language for Hindi regions. English, A and B, B and C. A and B. At which level did Mudaliar Commission in 1952 recommend making facilities available for the optional study of English? Primary level, secondary level, higher level, middle level. Middle level. In what year did Central Advisory Board of Education recommend the three-language formula? 1952, 1956, 1960, 1965. 1956. How many optional formulas were prepared by the Central Advisory Board of Education? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Who was appointed as chairman of Education Commission in 1964? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. D.S. Kothari, Dr. B. Ambedkar, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. D.S. Kothari. What was the stance of the Kothari Commission regarding the study of English? It proposed discontinuing the study of English. It emphasized the need for continuing the study of English as foreign language. It recommended replacing English with a regional language. It suggested making English a compulsory subject. It emphasized the need for continuing the study of English as a foreign language. What formula did Kothari Commission propose regarding language study? 2-language formula, 4-language formula, modified 3-language formula, 1-language formula. Modified 1-language formula. What was the emphasis of Kothari Commission regarding the study of English? It should be studied only as a second language. It should be studied as a compulsory subject. It should be studied as a foreign language. It should be discontinued from the curriculum. It should be studied as a foreign language. When was English recommended to be studied as a foreign language in schools for the first time? 1947, 1956, 1964, 1972. 1964 in Kothari Commission. According to National Policy on Education and Program of Action, what is emphasized as the best means to resolve concerns related to language education in India? Two-language formula, 4-language formula, 3-language formula, bilingual education model. Three-language formula. When did the All India Council for Secondary Education, AICSE, recommend the adoption of the 3-language formula? 1952, 1956, 1960, 1964. 1956. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the questions, kindly support me by subscribing the channel. Thank you.